Hi, my name is Carol. This video is from my second English project, and I'm going to talk about biosecurity. I like this topic very much because it is necessary for the day of today, especially now with the pandemic situation that we are experiencing today. Later you will realize why. So in my area of study, biosecurity, it's too important because for all laboratory practices that I'm going to have, I have to take into concerting rules to take of my safety and the safety of the others. When I am a professional, I will also have to use it in my work life. In my work life, sorry. So, well, um, two important companies who have contributed to this topic were the first in 1983, the World Health Organization published the Laboratory Biosafety Manual, recognized as the international reference publication. And the second was in 1985. The Center of Diseases Control of Atlanta developed universal precautions for blood and body fluids, a strategy to address concerns about human immunodeficiency, virus transmission in the workplace. So, well, what is biosecurity? Biosecurity is defined as a set of preventive measures and aimed at maintaining the control of occupational risk factors from biological, physical, or chemical agents, achieving the prevention or harmful impacts, ensuring that the development or end products of such procedures does not threaten the health and safety of health workers, patients, visitors, and for the environment. Health sector institutions therefore require the establishment and implementation of biosafety programs as a fundamental part of the organization operating policy. It must involve defined objectives and standards that achieve an orderly, safe work environment that simultaneously leads to improving quality, reducing overruns, and achieving optimal levels of reliable functionality in these areas. There are certain universal precautions which are washing hands, avoiding skin or mucosal contacts with blood, and other universal caution plates, wearing gloves, wearing caps, handling sharp objects carefully, and among others. Universal caution liquids are those liquids that are considered as potentially infective, such as blood, semen, breast milk, and among others. It is also important to take into account the classification of waste and to make the disposal of hospital waste efficient. It is necessary to adopt a color coding according to the type degree of hazard of the waste being handled. The World Health Organization has a standardized color code for the selection, disposal, storage, final disposal of waste, which is universally recognized. So green color is for ordinary non-recyclable waste. The red color is for biohazardous waste. Black color is for anatomopathological waste. Orange color is for plastic storage. White color is for glass storage. And gray color is for paper, cardboard, and the like. The relation of this topic with my profession is that for my profession this issue is too important, this topic is too important, because as I mentioned at the beginning, throughout my professional life I will have to use all these biosafety regulations to be able to enter to laboratories for my safety, the safety of the others, and to avoid contracting diseases as I will be handling many biological samples. So it's important to use the biosafety regulations. And well, finally, I think that biosecurity is an issue that continues to move forward every day in different situations. An example of that was the situation that we have been living with COVID. We all had to start implementing these measures to prevent contagion, so we started washing our hands more, to use permanent tapestry, permanent mask. We have to distance ourselves and even isolate ourselves for the well-being of all. So in that situations, we can see the importance of these topics, and this topic is not only for professionals of health. This topic concerns to all the community and to all the world.